Hello, my dear students of class 10th. I hope that you all are well in this pandemic situation. Dear students, today the this video will including that is including the question and answer session, and in this series of the question answer session you will be able to solve the different types of the MCQ that is given in the prescribed book by your school. So students, let us start the different types of the MCQs which are that is sharing on the screen, and this MCQ is which of the following equation is the summary of photosynthesis. So my dear student, in this equation you have to indicate the balanced equation of the photosynthesis, and you have to see the summary means 6. There will be the answer of 6 CO2 plus 12 H2O is equal to C6H12O6 plus 6O2 plus 6. This may be the summary, but the whole summarization of the this photosynthesis is 6 CO2 plus 12 H2O, that is in the chlorophyll in the presence of sunlight. Then there will be the formation of food and 6O2 plus 6 H2O that will takes place. So student, answer will be C. This answer will be C. This will be the summarization. And not only this, students, this will be the answer C. Come to the second. Nitrogen needed by plants is taken up in the form of which form? The nitrogen is taken in the form of nitrate. So nitrate will be the answer. And now third question, that is the which of these is not required for photosynthesis. So sunlight, that is required by in the photosynthesis. CO2 also required, but oxygen is not required in the photosynthesis. So answer will be oxygen. C, oxygen. And come to next, that is the 4. The green color of the plant is due to the presence of which pigment? That is the chlorophyll. The chlorophyll is the green pigment, green color, which is due to the presence of the chlorophyll. Dear student, come to the next question, that is 5. And this question will help you to explain the somehow the content, that is the gaseous exchange in the plant takes place through the which part? Gills, lungs, नहीं तो ये part होगा stomata. The answer will be the stomata. And the medium required for activity of pancreatic juices is, that is acidic. That is acidic. So answer will be the acidic. Answer will be the acidic. So you have to answer this, acidic. Now the energy rich compound produced the energy rich compound produced during respiration is, that is ATP. This one, ATP is the energy rich compound that is produced during the respiration. Come to the next, that is the 8, question number 8, and 8 is saying that products of anaerobic respiration in muscles are, that is the lactic acid and energy. My dear student, this is called lactate fermentation. What happened during this process? That the muscles start producing lactic acid from the carbohydrate that is present in the muscular cells in the presence of sufficient oxygen. So therefore there is the muscular cramp and formation of lactic acid and production of 2 ATP of energy in the muscles. So this is the anaerobic type of respiration during the heavy work done by the individuals. So student, this is the correct answer, lactic acid and energy. But now you have to see some more options are here: lactic acid, CO2 and energy, lactic acid, water, carbon dioxide and energy, lactic acid, water and energy. So there will be no production of the carbon dioxide, there will be the only lactic acid and energy. That is called lactate fermentation. So fermentation is there and production of lactic acid, no CO2, no water, etc. Come to question number 9. During respiration, exchange of gases takes place in where? That is in alveoli of lungs. So answer will be the alveoli of lungs. And come to the next, that is the blood plasma transport, carbon dioxide, digested food, nitrogenous waste. So answer will be the all these, all of these from this. And come to the next, dear students, question number 11. The correct sequence of anaerobic reactions in the yeast is glucose, cytoplasm, pyruvate, mitochondria. No, this is aerobic. Glucose, cytoplasm, pyruvate, cytoplasm, lactic acid. This is the lactate fermentation. Mitochondria, this is the another thing, lactate fermentation. And glucose, cytoplasm, pyruvate, cytoplasm, ethanol plus carbon dioxide. This is the fermentation, that is the type of anaerobic respiration in the yeast. So the answer will be the D. D will be the correct answer. And now come to the next, that is the 12. In which of the following vertebrates groups heart does not pump oxygenated blood to different parts of the body? My dear students, the amphibians and reptiles and species, these 3 categories are here. But you have to note it that the amphibians and reptiles, they are having the 3-chambered heart. So there will be the supply of the oxygenated blood to different parts of the body by the ventricle itself. While in the species there are only 2 chambers. So the species does not supply the oxygenated blood from the heart to all parts of the body. So student, come to next, that is the 13. The blood cells responsible for clotting of blood are erythrocyte, no, blood platelets, yes, because they are called thrombocytes, white blood cells and red blood cells. So the thrombocytes producing the thromboplastin, and these are the blood platelets. These are called thrombocytes producing thromboplastin. That is the clotting material, that is the fibrous protein which facilitate the clotting of the blood. Dear student, come to next question, that is the 14. The chamber of the heart having most thick wall is, that is the left atrium, no. Right atrium, no. That is the left ventricle. Why it is so? Because the left ventricle produce high pressure in putting the blood into the aorta for the supply of the blood to all parts of the body. So answer will be the left ventricle. Answer will be the left ventricle. Dear students, come to the next question, that is 16. What prevents backflow of the blood inside the heart during the contraction? So when heart get contracted, the valve of the heart so the thick muscular valve of ventricle, no. So the answer will be the valve of the heart. My dear student, these valves are there, they are found as the protecting valve from the backflow of the blood when the heart get contracted. तो backflow नहीं होता है जिस इन्हीं valve के कारण, which are found in the heart itself. Now 17. Which of the following blood vessels have thick muscular coat? So dear student, thick muscular coat, that is the arteries. Arteries are thick while veins are thin. Capillaries नहीं होगा, तथा veins भी नहीं होगा, all भी नहीं होगा, तो arteries having the thick muscular coat. Reabsorption of glucose and other useful substances takes place in coil tube of nephron. So answer will be the coil tube of nephron. This is the seminiferous tubules or kidney tubules or nephric tubules. So these are called coil tubule of the nephron. Dear student, question number 19. Which of the following groups of the organism food material is broken down outside the body and absorbed? So this is by the yeast mushroom and bread mold, because they are fungi and they are saprophytic in nature, and they first convert the food into their favorable material, then they will be able to absorb it. This is the saprophytic mode of nutrition. And come to 20. Excretion in man takes place through nephridia, contractile vacuole, heart. So answer will be none of these. इनमें से कोई नहीं होता है. एक्सक्रीशन किसके द्वारा होता है? किडनी के द्वारा, एक्सक्रीटरी सिस्टम के द्वारा होता है. So dear student, these are the question answers. That is taken it into your exercise, and we are trying to solve some more questions here that you have to take care of it. Dear student, which of the following segments is true about respiration? So the answer will be कौन सा सेगमेंट जो है वो इसमें सही है. During inhalation, ribs move inward and diaphragm is raised. This will not. The alveoli exchange of gases takes place, the oxygen from blood into alveolar air. Okay. Now hemoglobin has greater affinity to for from carbon dioxide than oxygen. No. Alveoli increases the surface area of gases. So answer will be second and 4. Answer will be second. That is the in the alveoli exchange of gases takes place, and 4 alveoli increases surface area of the exchange of gases. So answer will be this second and 4. So take care of this question. Dear student, which is the correct sequence of the air passage during the inhalation? जब हम सांस लेते हैं तो इनहेल करते हैं गैस को, तो कौन सा करेक्ट सीक्वेंस है वन बाय वन? सो करेक्ट सीक्वेंस इज द नॉस्ट्रिल, फेरिंग्स, नॉस्ट्रिल मतलब नोज, उसके बाद फेरिंग्स आता है, फिर लैरिंग्स आता है, फिर ट्रैकिया, देन एल्वियोलाई. सो दिस इज द करेक्ट सीक्वेंस. ट्रैकिया से ट्रैकियोल और फिर एल्वियोलाई. Dear student, come to next question, that is the 23. Which is the first enzyme to mix with the food in the digestive tract? That is the amylase. Amylase is the first enzyme which get mixed in the mouth cavity. It get mixed in the mouth cavity for the digestion of carbohydrate. Now come to next, that is the 25. During the deficiency of oxygen in tissue of human being, pyruvic acid is converted into the lactic acid is in the cytoplasm, chloroplast, mitochondria, Golgi body. So lactic acid that get converted into the cytoplasm itself. This is the cytoplasm, because in the mitochondria there will be the need of the oxygen, so there will be no such happening like this. Therefore, student, come to the question number 26. Which of the following statements are correct? Pyruvate can be converted into the ethanol and carbon dioxide by yeast. This is correct. Fermentation takes place in aerobic bacteria. This is incorrect. Fermentation takes place in mitochondria. Incorrect. Fermentation is the form of the anaerobic respiration. This is correct. So first and 4 is correct, and answer will be first and 4. So you have to tick the answer first and 4. First and 4. This one. First and 4 will be the correct answer. Now, dear student, come to next, that is the question number 27. When air blown from the mouth into the test tube containing lime water, the lime water turned milky due to the presence of oxygen, carbon dioxide, nitrogen, water vapor. So that is due to the carbon dioxide. My dear student, there is an activity. So answer is the carbon dioxide. Why this answer? If you blown air from your mouth, it means the carbon dioxide is coming out from your mouth, and that carbon dioxide is able to turn the lime water. Lime water means that is the water with hydroxide, base water. So that base water get converted into the salt, and due to the salt the color is changed in the milk like color. So that will be the carbon dioxide, CO2, which get converted into the carbonate, and the color of carbonate is something milk like color. So answer will be the carbon dioxide, this one. So next, that is the choose the correct path of urine in our body. So kidney, ureter, urinary bladder and urethra. This is the correct path. किडनी से यूरिन निकलता है यूरेटर के जरिए, यूरिनरी ब्लैडर में आता है, फिर यूरेथ्रा के द्वारा बाहर निकाल दिया जाता है. एंड क्वेश्चन नंबर 29, द इंटरनल सेलुलर एनर्जी रिजर्व इन ऑटोट्रॉफ इज स्टार्च. The food gets stored in the form of starch in the autotroph. So the answer will be this starch. Question number 30, which is the correct sequence of the parts in human alimentary canal? So again correct sequence, first of all mouth, then stomach, no, mouth, esophagus. This will be the correct sequence, my dear students. This will be not. The correct sequence is correct sequence is the mouth, esophagus, stomach, large intestine and small intestine. So this is the correct sequence B. Answer will be B. Unfortunately the tick put here and this is wrong. So answer will be the B, and you have to know this thing. So dear students, question number 31st onward, you will be able to do the things at your home as the home exercise. So my dear students, question number 31 to question number 31 to the last question that you will do at your home exercise, that assignment already given to you. So thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you and good day.